Hi everybody, I'm Paul from Canadian Woodworks and Legacy Lumber. You may not know, but my YouTube channel started in 2013 and I had 450 plus videos. Until the channel got hacked, all the videos got erased, nothing I could do to get them back. Fortunately, I did find a lot of them on my hard drives that I've had scattered all around, and we're going to be bringing you my favorite ones, mostly the ones that will bring you the most value. We're going to call it the Hackerfiles. And this is the first video out of the Hackerfiles. We're going to be carving a rocking chair seat using an angle grinder and a Kutzall wheel, something I specialize in. I've done probably 200 plus seats, no problem, with this style. So hope you enjoy the video. Hopefully you learned something. I just clapped. I'm not supposed to clap anymore. I'll try my best. Everyone, make it a great one.
Well, here I am carving another seat with an angle grinder and a Kutzall wheel. I've done the joinery on the seat and I've done the mortises for the back braces. Then I'm able to trace out the outline of my seat as well as mark out my pommel location. I drill a few depth holes on a certain pattern that I always do, and then that way we can work down to those depths while creating the curves right off the bat. You also create your outline, but stay away from your line, and just when you're coming close to getting your final depth, you're going to start inching your way close to your outline. That way we have the wood removed when we want it removed, and it's easier to get everything flowing that way rather than just removing all the material from one section and moving on. You kind of want to work on the entire section along the way. So right there I'm actually getting really close up to my line now. So I'm using a coarse Kutzall wheel with the flat side, the original coating. I'll use that for 95% of the material removal. Then I'll switch to their medium disc and then touch it up with a 7-inch grinder before I head on to the sanding. Here the seat's been fully sanded up to a shine, 500 or 1000 grit. So once the seat has been sanded and the extra material removed up to our legs, we're able to glue on our front legs and back legs. Once those are on, we're able to work on the headrest, get it fitted, and get it glued on. Once the headrest is in, we're able to get our arms figured out and glued on as well. Then from there, we have a chair where we just have all the work left. All the sculpting and all the sanding.
So that was just a quick one, and most of my videos will be like that with a camera set up and I just do a voiceover. But luckily for all of you, it's 100% woodworking. Virtually every video that I used to have was real, legit woodworking. We're making sawdust, we're carving seats, we're building chairs, we're having a lot of fun, and I think these videos will bring you a lot of value because it's basically me just sharing my techniques. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to carve your own seat, go get one of those Kutzall wheels. I love them. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them all sorts of places. They never wear out, they're very safe. I've used many different kinds of carving wheels and I highly recommend them. And I'm not even getting paid by them. Do they give me free wheels sometimes? Yes. Yes, they give me free wheels all the time. Thank you, Kutzall. Keep them coming, even though they don't wear out. So the last free wheels they gave me, I gave them away. Oh, I don't know if they knew that. Well, I'm sure they're happy. Everyone, make it a great one. We'll see you next time.